Sunshine After Rain by Brenda Winders. One day when I was young, I heard a knock at my door. It sounded familiar, like I heard it before. I opened the door, and to my surprise, there stood a young lady with a blonde hair and brown eyes. She said, "I have the answers. Are you ready to play?" So I grabbed my money and I said, "Okay." There were the answers that I had always sought: liquid, pills, and powders. And I bought and bought. Then one day, my friend suddenly changed. Her face became ugly, calloused, and drenched. She grabbed my hand and we tore through the town. My loved ones and friends could only watch and frown. She kept whispering something I could only guess. It sounded like she was repeating, "Yes, yes, yes." How quickly from fun to very near death. How quickly from one beer to smoking crystal meth. I thought of my family. Oh, what a mess. But all I heard was screaming, "Yes, yes, yes." I had to find help. I was at my wits' end. I had lost my child, my family, and my friends. I said, "God, are you there? Can you help me, please?" A sudden peace came over me, and I fell to my knees. God answered the riddle that so long I did guess. Why my addiction kept screaming, "Yes, yes, yes." It's because I kept asking night after night, "It's going to be different this time, right?" I said, "God, I'm not worth it. I feel like a jerk." He said, "Suit up and show up. It's time to go to work." Now it's been 8 months since I had my last drink. It's given me time to remember and think. So I'm here to tell you in a little rhyme. Life keeps getting better, one day at a time. So when you think you are going insane, there's always sunshine after the rain.